Every day begins with a choice. Will today be the day you invest in yourself? Imagine feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on anything. What if I told you it all starts with just a few minutes of strength training? Strength training isn't just about lifting weights. It's about lifting yourself, your mood, your energy, and your confidence. Whether you're 20 or 60, strength training can transform your life. And guess what? You don't need fancy equipment or hours at the gym. Let's break it down. Ready to join me? Let's try a quick 5-minute workout right now. 10 squats, feel your legs getting stronger. 10 push-ups, knees down or up, your call. 30-second plank, engage that core, you've got this. 10 lunges per leg, don't rush, find your balance. 15 seconds of Superman pose, channel your inner hero. I remember when I first started strength training, I thought, I don't have the time or the energy. But the truth? Those small daily efforts changed my life. I feel stronger, healthier, and happier. And you can too, one step at a time. Now it's your turn. Start with just 5 minutes a day, that's it. Your future self will thank you. If you're ready to build a stronger you, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Comment below with your favorite workout move, and let's inspire each other to stay consistent. Together, we've got this. Remember, strength is built one day at a time. See you in the next video.